So welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther, and in today's video it is going to be all about this beautiful unit from Yolissa Hair, girl. It's a curly unit. Y'all know once summer comes around, I try to push curly units for you guys to get your hands on because I really feel like curly units are meant for the summer season. But as always, I love sharing with you guys all the products and just items that I receive in my package in hopes that you guys receive the same thing. It feels like Christmas every time I open these boxes because you just never know what you're gonna get. Like I mentioned, this unit is from Yolissa Hair. She is beautiful, beautiful. I got her right out the package, had to shake her up a little bit to let those curls loose, but this is a 13x4 HD lace front wig, and I did get my hands on a 22-inch unit. Now this unit does come pre-plucked. Look at that. That looks so good. The hairline looks so good. Comes pre-plucked, the knots are bleached. So another wear and go type of units, and we love that on this channel. It gives me less work to do. I hate customizing units. If I have to customize it, it's fine, but it's my least favorite thing. But the hairline looks so good, and I just can't wait to throw it on so you guys can see it on. This unit does come with adjustable strap, 2 combs on the side, 1 at the bottom, and an elastic band. I love those elastic bands because you can adjust it, and it's perfect if you want to wear your units like glueless. You don't want to glue it down. I love when my wigs come with that. So shout out to Yolissa Hair because this is another unit that I would like seriously recommend. So I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace. I've been using this mousse. It's almost done. I cannot wait for it to be done because once it's over, I'm gonna be using just my foundation powder or just powder in general until I find another product to tint my lace with. But I normally tint it and then I set it with the powder, and look at how freaking good this looks. Yolissa Hair did that with the plucking. They did not overdo it, and the knots are bleached to perfection. They're not over bleached. It just looks so natural to me. Once it's like glued down, y'all gonna look at that and be like, is that my scalp or what? Now the texture for this hair is like that nice water wave. It is so beautiful, you guys. I did go ahead and just use my mousse, and I just applied this all over the unit. You don't need to spray it down if you don't want to. Honestly, it looked so good out of the package, but I wanted to revive those curls a little bit and bring the wave back to life, and adding mousse just did it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, you guys. And the unit is pretty full for the most part. I'm not sure how many density is on this unit. I'm gonna put it in the description box, but it's a pretty full one. And for 22 inches, honestly, I think the length is perfect. So if you're a short girl like me, I'm like 5 foot right on the dot. I think 22 inches is just right. But if you want it just a little bit longer, you can go up to 26 inches. It's gonna be a long girl. She gonna be long, okay? Especially summer. I feel like this will be the perfect vacation hair if you're going somewhere like tropical or just want a nice unit for the summer season. This one is just, it's beautiful, y'all. You can totally skip this part, but I did want to add a little bit of shine to the hair as well after applying the mousse. I just felt like, first of all, that product makes the hair smell so good, and y'all see how beautiful the shine is just giving it. Okay, I had to give y'all a little shake because this hair does have movement and it's literally so beautiful, you guys. I didn't know I was gonna be obsessed with this unit like this, but I'm pretty obsessed with it. It's a nice water wave. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. I let it sit for a little bit, and after cutting the lace off, I did grab my melting spray. You guys are gonna see like the before I applied the melting spray to after. This is why I always recommend people to get their hands on a melting spray that works best for you. But this one, I am obsessed. Y'all can see the lace, it has that crust, it's white. So I'm just gonna go ahead and melt it down so then it can really melt into my skin, and y'all gonna see me just do this slowly. It just melts so good. I'm like, wow, this is stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this on both sides. It's gonna look so good, y'all. Again, invest in a melting spray. You can also use your Got2b spray. I think it does a really good job, but this one specifically is supposed to be for melting your lace down. So I'm gonna try to find it and link it for you guys because I've had this product for almost 2 years now. I think, yeah, going on 2 years. So I don't know if the girl still sells it, but if I find it, I'm gonna try to link it for y'all. So with this unit, you don't need baby hair at all, but I just wanted to add a little something, y'all. But that is it for this wig tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you check out the description box for this unit, and in case I have any discount codes, take advantage of that instead of paying full price. I love y'all so much. Now, Pendasana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.